guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share a grocery haul as well as a meal plan with you guys, but I wanted to touch on a couple of ways that I have been saving a lot of money on groceries lately. And some of these things I've done in the past, and some of them are like no-brainer type things, but I've really been diligent with doing them, and I have been saving a lot of money on my groceries. And I've actually been recording what my weekly amount spent on groceries has been over the last month, and I will also include that in this video. So I am getting ready to go pick up groceries from Smith's and Costco. I've been doing Sam's Club and Walmart, but I always do one bulk and one normal grocery store. I've really had to get back to doing that, and part of the reason why is because if I buy everything in bulk for convenience of only having to go to one store, yes, I might save myself time, but I'm definitely spending more money that way. And I just really felt the need to get a handle on the groceries. It's just the one bill that you really have control over, and there's certain things I'm not willing to compromise on, like eating a ton of frozen foods that are on sale. Like, I'm not willing to do that, but I just want to be able to stretch our dollar as far as possible. And so I have gone back to not buying everything in bulk. So that is the first thing that I have done. The next thing that I have been doing is taking an inventory of my pantry before I go to the store. No brainer, right? But sometimes we get busy and we just don't take the time to do that. So I've gotten back into that habit. And then the third thing that I have been doing, which I think is the thing that is making the biggest impact, is going to the grocery store every week and utilizing pickup as much as possible. If I don't go in the store, I'm only getting things on my list. I'm not spending any extra money with the pickups, but sometimes, you know, you can't get a spot and you do need to go. So shopping weekly for me saves me a lot of money. And this is why. Because with a family my size, with kids my kids' ages, they just eat a lot of food. There's just no other way around it. And we always run out of, you know, fresh produce and whatnot. So I'm already having to go back to the store in a 2-week time frame. That's the time, the way that my husband is paid, and so that's just the way we set up our groceries, is bi-weekly shopping. But I always have to go to get a couple more things for something, whether it's a tea time, whether it's a family get together, whether it's we're going out of town and I need to get some extra things for traveling in our trailer. Like, there's just always another reason to go back to the store. And so what was happening was I was doing our 2-week shopping at Costco and spending between $500 and $600, which isn't terrible for good quality food for a family of 6, and we don't eat out. So that was not a terrible budget. But then within that 2-week time frame, I would go to Trader Joe's, I would go to another grocery store, and I would end up spending, you know, $200 there. So now we're getting to $800. And it was just getting more and more and more and more. And so I've just brought us back to weekly shopping. That way I'm only accounting for that week. And like I said, I've been doing pickup, and I've been doing one bulk and one grocery store. So like a normal grocery store, and it has saved a ton of money. So I'll show you guys my list, I'll show you my menu plan, and then I'll show you guys the hauls. And then at the end of the video, I will show you what our weekly grocery cost has been for the last month, and I think you'll be very surprised. So before I go to the grocery store, I obviously make a meal plan for the week. I only write out the dinners on here. For lunches, I just put 3 different options. That's definitely more than enough for a week, because for lunch I eat the same thing repeatedly, and so I feel like anybody can eat lunch the same thing. Breakfast, again, 3 different options for the kids. I will eat pretty much the same thing every day. And then I list out the meal prep for Jake and I for the week. So here's the menu. From the menu is the grocery list created. I break it up into sections. This is for Smith's. This will be the bulk stuff. and I just kind of know the pricing on what's gonna be better for me to buy where. And then down here, the meal prep, if I'm gonna make a special stop for that, I'll do it then. So this stuff is gonna come from Trader Joe's. That's why it's down there at the bottom. So yeah, that's what I've been doing for a week. And the Smith's order I already placed, so that was $95 without my coupons, so that'll come down. And then here's the list for the bulk food that I need, and then the Trader Joe's. So when I get home, I will show you guys the hauls from all of those places. Got back from Smith's, because like I told you guys, doing one bulk stop and one pickup from a normal grocery store is how I've been really saving a lot of money. I did have paper coupons, and so that brought my total to $81. But this is just for a week, and some of the random things you see were just because I had a coupon and I wanted to use it. So anyways, Bagel Thins for myself and Jake. These Hawaiian buns for a turkey burger night. These, I ordered a different kind of roll, but they substitute it with these to go with the vegetable soup that I'm going to be making. Enchilada sauce, this is the best kind in my opinion. I prefer green, but they were out, so they gave me red. Rotel tomatoes, both for the enchiladas as well. Kidney beans and 2 cans of lima beans and bay leaves for the vegetable soup. This is new. I've been wanting to try to find a much lower sugar, better yet no sugar, barbecue sauce, and so we're gonna give that one a try. This white onion is for the soup. These 2 boxes of Chex Mix as well as those pretzels are for like a fall dessert thing that I'm gonna be making. 2 avocados, grape tomatoes, protein muffins. These ones are really good. They were on sale, so I grabbed those. Protein oatmeal, gold potatoes for the vegetable soup, 2 things of spinach for everything, romaine hearts, 3 of them, 2 things of organic vegetable broth and beef broth, turkey burgers for meal prep. This was one of those coupon items, but I wanted to use it because it made it like 75 cents. And then I ordered stir-fry vegetables, but they didn't have those, so they gave me these California style ones. So that's everything that I got at Smith's for the week. Again, it was $80, and so I do a bulk shopping trip in combination with this. So I'll show you guys the grand total when I get back from Costco. Right, guys, we just got back from Costco. Like I said, I'm doing one bulk trip a week, and I did spend a little bit more than I usually would for a week, but it will all average out next week. So my total this week was $352, so $352 combined with the $81 from Smith's. However, these items I placed over here because these vitamins were on sale, and I didn't know that, and I always get them when they're on sale. So that was $30, and then the pillow was $10, and that just came out of like a separate budget. So that is $40. That should be taken off of that, so that would make that about $312. So for $312, I got all of this food here on my counter. So we'll start over here. I got the baby carrots. We go through these very fast, so I love getting those at Costco. Protein bars, best price ever. Coconut or cocoa aminos, way larger bottle, way better price than Trader Joe's for sure. Grapes, 2 things of raspberries, oranges. My favorite cauliflower pizza was on sale, so I definitely got 2 of those. Blueberries, garlic powder. We got some, I've never tried this kind of apple, Koru apple, so we got those. Egg whites, the hand-pulled rotisserie chicken. This I will use for the enchiladas, just for a super quick meal. Every week I meal plan. I give myself a meal that can be thrown together in less than 30 minutes, and this is one of them. I got a huge thing of corn tortillas to freeze as well as use in the enchiladas. Cheddar jack cheese, plain organic Greek yogurt. I know I mentioned that I was maybe going to run to Trader Joe's for the Korean beef to do the meal prep. I just opted to do this one from Costco. This is the beef bulgogi, I think it is, the Korean barbecue. So we'll do that with cauliflower rice. I got some turkey lunch meat, the oven roasted one, this cheese variety pack, the 2-pack of dried salami. This is another thing that is a huge savings to buy at Costco. Nutri-Grain bars were on sale, so we grabbed those. We got a carne asada for dinner one night. Out of Kodiak cakes, so got a box of those. 2 things of bread for my kids. These tortillas were on sale. This wasn't on my list, but we do tacos all the time in quesadillas, so this huge thing was $2. So I grabbed that. Skinny Pop, love having that for myself at night. The Chobani smoothie, Greek yogurts for the kiddos, mac and cheese for easy quick lunch. You guys saw that on the list. Some stir-fry vegetables. Since Smith's was out of them, I'll just freeze the other ones. Green beans and organic there, and then the organic rice cauliflower. I got some bananas, and then I got 1 pack of the organic crunch salad. So again, about $312 in food at Costco. This will last a little over a week. Like, some things will have a little bit longer. For example, they're not going to eat, 12 boxes of macaroni and cheese in a week, but I am still budgeting that way. So anyways, this is everything from Costco. You guys saw Smith's, so that is what every 2-week grocery shopping is looking like. So now I'm gonna get this all put away, and then I will show you guys what I do to prepare, like as far as food for the week. And then at the end of the video, I said I would go over the totals per week with you guys, and so I'll throw that in for you as well.
Out of sand, reaching for the ground.
Okay, you guys, so all of that meal prepping you just saw took place in about 30 minutes. That was all the time I had this week to meal prep for the week. So I just did as much as I could in those 30 minutes. So I got lunch ready for myself and Jake for the first couple days of the week. I prepped easy veggies to just grab and throw together for the kids' lunches. I washed all of our berries and grapes and got those all situated. I made overnight oats for myself for the week practically, and I chopped all of our romaine so that it doesn't go bad, and I've got easy salads on hand. So it may seem like I didn't do too much, but that little bit of 30 minutes will help me so much throughout the week. So now that I have prepped the groceries for this week, as far as what I can do in the time that I've got, I'm gonna show you guys the weekly totals for our groceries for my family of 6, and I will show you what we have been spending. I will write down what our total is for this coming week after this one, but $397, so I know it'll be a little bit lower. So like I mentioned, I just wanted to feel more cognizant of our grocery budget. I wanted to just feel like I was being more diligent, and I wanted to feel like I was saving the little bit of money that I could. I'm not talking thousands of dollars in savings, but I am talking about maybe $100 a month, maybe $150 a month. And that does add up. That's a whole nother outing with my family, that's zoo tickets, that's, you know, a couple tanks of gas. And so for us, I just like to feel like I'm doing the best I can. So I found that all the tips that I gave in the beginning of this video are helping me. If you have any grocery tips, leave them down below. And I know that food is very relative. Everyone has a different taste and different budget and different costs of food dependent upon where you live. And so the video really isn't about the numbers. It's more about just being disciplined and doing the best you can with what you've got. And I wanted to feel like I was really kind of dedicating more effort to that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of meal prepping, grocery hauls, budget talks about groceries. Let me know if you did. Give me a thumbs up. I haven't done a grocery haul in a while, so let me know if you guys enjoy seeing my grocery hauls. Let me know in a comment down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up before you leave. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.